Bergie. Here we learn about all kinds of art, no matter what your skill level. So get your art supplies and get ready, because today we're going to learn about
Point.
So let's have fun. Here we go. Okay, we're going to get started with 1 point perspective. So if you have a ruler, grab it. You will need that. If you don't, find a book with a straight edge, something with a straight edge. And what we're going to do is we're just going to draw a straight line. It does not have to be perfect. On your page, I'm going to use a Sharpie marker just because it's easier for you to see what I'm doing, but you can use a pencil. We're going to draw a straight line across our page. And this is what we call the horizon line. And then what we're going to do for 1 point, this is 1 point perspective. Alright, so we're going to pick a spot on your line. It doesn't matter where. I'm going to put one just right in the middle. I'm going to put a little dot. This is called your vanishing point. And what we're going to do, just a simple exercise, we're going to this is just the basics, and what we'll do, I'll do another lesson down the road where we can maybe we'll do our name in 1 point perspective. But for now, let's just do the basics. We are going to draw, I'm going to make my ruler parallel to that line, and we're just going to draw a simple short line. And I'm going to just for fun, we're going to draw a short line over here and a short line over here. Now they are all equal. You don't have to keep them equal. I just thought it'd be fun this way. So we're going to find out what happens when you move your lines away from the vanishing point and see what happens. We need to make these all into boxes or rectangles. So again, an easy way to do that, if you have a ruler, we'll just set our ruler right against those lines and go to the bottom of our ruler and draw another line that is parallel to the first line. Alright, and if you have your ruler and you want to connect the two the best you can, if you have a ruler again, you can line it up here and draw it straight down until it touches. Line this one up so that it's right along there. And we're going to do the same over here. Just an easy way to make a 90-degree angle. One more. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to turn these flat boxes into a dimensional box, a 1 point perspective box. So what's going to happen is you're going to take the top corners on all of these boxes, you're going to pull them back to the vanishing point, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So you're going to line your ruler or your straight edge up with the VP, vanishing point, and one of your corners. Should I just make sure they line up right there? I draw a line. Do it again the other direction. And you're going to do the same over here. Both corners, vanishing point to the corner, and vanishing point to the other corner. Alright, so this is what we have so far. Now, you can see that right away things are changing, because these are coming in at an angle and this is straight from the vanishing point. So on the front box, you will not see any other sides, but on these two boxes, you will see a third side, or a second side rather, or a third side. Alright, let's figure out where the edge of these boxes are, because they aren't going to go completely back. So you're just going to pick where you want that to end, and you're going to make a straight line. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring it up here and kind of eyeball it, and it helps because they're all basically the same. It's a little bit long. So I'm going to draw a line here, draw it there, and draw it there. Now that's the top of all of our boxes. Okay, where this line hits this diagonal line, that will be a nice vertical line. But we have to get the other diagonal in. So we're going to go from this bottom corner to the vanishing point. And then you can take your ruler and make it parallel to this vertical line and draw it straight down. Now you have your box. This one doesn't change because you're not seeing any other corners that can go back to that, but this one needs to do the same thing, only the opposites. We're going to go down to this bottom left corner, draw your diagonal back to your vanishing point, find out where this line here hits this diagonal line, make your ruler parallel to this front vertical line, and draw a straight line down. Now you have 3 boxes in 1-point perspective. Now is your fun time where you can take your markers or your pencils, whatever you have, and you can do some shading. And some fun shading. You can just use shading with lines. See if you can go back to that vanishing point. So if you even want to use your ruler, you can keep that on your vanishing point and you can just go like this and start to draw some lines. You're going to see those lines go back in perspective as well. You can see how I'm stopping right inside that box, just between those 2 vertical lines. There you go. So now you can see how that goes in. And up here, however you want to do that. You could do that in perspective as well, and you can do the same over here. You can also eyeball it. That's pretty close. There you go. All right. Okay, there you go. Practice your boxes, and as you go and move your boxes around, and I'll just show you another one down here. Let me just show you a quick one. You're going to notice that as you move them around, it changes. If you move it above the horizon line, you will see the bottom of the box, not the top of the box. These you see the tops and the sides. So that is what will change there as well. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. Again, you're going to see this. If you can take a corner back, that's what you will do. Draw that, and then you can draw this straight down. There you go. You could even go in and just put a shadow and cover the whole thing in. Alright, there's your challenge. See what, how many boxes you can draw, get them into 1-point perspective, and we'll do some more lessons down the road.